Thank you for joining me for this brief tutorial focused on activating a PCS instrument calibration kit in the ArtelWare application. This is a quick video, so let's go ahead and get started. Each time you receive a new PCS instrument calibrator kit from us, you will need to activate the calibrator kit in order to use it with the ArtelWare software and your PCS system. Activating the instrument calibrator kit will enable you to use the software for the term of that calibrator kit. To activate your new PCS instrument calibrator kit, click on the Scan Barcode shortcut. Scan the barcode of one of the instrument calibrator kit vials, your choice. Once you receive this screen to activate your PCS calibrator kit, take a look inside your PCS instrument calibrator kit box. There's a clear sleeve that's located on the inside cover. Within that clear sleeve will be your ArtelWare activation code for your new calibrator kit. Using that activation code card, go ahead and select Activate PCS Calibrator Kit, and then scan the barcode on the card. You'll then see a message indicating that the calibrator has now been activated. Click OK, and you're finished. Easy as that. Okay, that concludes our brief tutorial. Do you have additional questions? Please contact us at 1-800-225-4034 option 3 or at support@aicompanies.com. Thank you.